All right, first of all, I want to talk about the social media, how we can maximize the internet. You have access to this letter. For now, let's just proceed. How we can maximize the internet. There are lots to achieve from. There's a lot to achieve on the internet if you can maximize and learn about it. From research shows that Facebook on its own has over 3 billion people on it. Over 3 billion people are using Facebook every day. Every day. So if you happen to have Facebook as a marketplace, then you are exposed to 3 billion people. So I want us to quickly pick up our calculator and divide 3 billion by 100. 3 billion by 100. Let's do that right away. I don't know if you know how many digits are in 3 billion. A very quick one. 3 billion. Please, how many zero will be in 3 billion? Divide that by 100.
Yes, we can hear you.
So if you divide 3 billion by if you divide 3 billion by the number by 100, guess what you're going to have? 3 billion divided by 100 is going to give you a total of 30 million. 30 million. Now imagine you having 30 million people to show your business to. That's to say, out of the population of people on Facebook, just get 1%. Out of the population of people on Facebook, try and get 1%. Just 1% is enough. You don't need everyone. Just 1%. Imagine you losing 1%. Just 1% though. I'm not saying 100%. So the internet is so vast that you can't finish it. You cannot. You cannot finish it. So if you can even have just 1% of the internet, you're a billionaire already. You're having, from what I'm having here, this is over 30 million people to show your business. Now, in this 30 million, let's say 1% accept your business. 1% accept your business. We are using people on Facebook. So let's still divide this by 100. I want you to get something. You have 300,000 downline. Is it good or very good? Tell us in the comment section. If you have 300,000 downline joining your business from Facebook, is it good or very good? Very good. Now, the problem is knowing how to attract these people is the major problem. Knowing how to attract these people is a problem. Now, I want to share something very important with you. And while I was making this research, it blows my mind. Nigeria is top number 2 in the world as average people who spend time on the internet. In short, an average Nigerian spend approximately 3 minutes, 36 seconds every day on the internet. Now, the highest people in the world are the Filipinos, and I agree they are the highest. And I agree. Why? If you look at the manner that these people are doing M Global Network marketing business in Philippines, they don't rest. In short, if they happen to follow you up, you'll be afraid of what is happening. They don't allow you. They are always on the internet 24/7. They are always on the internet. They are always on the internet. And they build their business online. Imagine Joseph Lim staying in Philippines and having the largest network in Africa. I want you to imagine what that means. He stays in Philippines, but he has the highest network in Africa. People are registering in Africa through online. Research says that the Filipinos are the highest people that are using the internet. Seconded by Nigeria. Third is Mexico, Turkey, Russia, India, China, US, and the rest. So if we are top number 2, that means we have lots of advantages. Lots of advantages. So to share with these people, we have a lot of people to reach out to. Out of over 8 billion people, 3 billion are on the Facebook alone. 3 billion. 2.7 are on YouTube. 2.7 also are on WhatsApp. As in the latest update I got is that WhatsApp have moved to 3.1 right now. Instagram has 2.4, TikTok has 1.5, LinkedIn have 1 billion, Snapchat has 750 million, Twitter has 619 million, and the rest. So if you can even use 1% of the 1% of Facebook, you have 300 downline. But what did you tell these people? So this is going to be the tips of how, I'm going to share the tips of how you can grow these people, how you can reach out to these people. So the first step is people do business with people they know, like, and trust. You can write this down. These are the tips for social media. People do business with people they know, like, and trust. A lot of persons have been scammed. So because of this scam, people are skeptic. People are being careful. But if they know you, like you, trust you, they can comfortably hand their money over to you. That is it. So that the first thing, your goal is to get people who will know you, like you, and trust you. Please, what is your goal? Type it in the comment section. So your goal is to get people that will know you, like you, and trust you. Please write that down. That is your work. If you are going to maximize the internet, get people that know you, like you, and trust you. Simple. So to get people that will like you, know you, and trust you, you need to create communication. You need to start communication with them and build rapport. Start communication and build rapport. You don't go to the internet and tell people, come and join network marketing. It does not work. Nobody will join you. They will think you're a scammer. So the first thing is that you build the rapport with them. Let them know that you're not a scammer. Let them see you as a friend. And by the time they see you as a friend, they perceive you like a friend, they will definitely give you their trust. So once you connect with people on Facebook or social media, use the form communication pattern. You know what we call form now? You talk about the family, their occupation, their religion, their recreations, whatever they do. Whatever they do that they can give you. Now, when you talk about that, you ask the magic question. I'm going to share the magic question with you today. So these are the steps. There are 5 steps I've mentioned. First thing is that people do business with people they know, like, and trust. So your goal, please write it down serially. Your goal is to get people to know you, like you, and trust you. To get people to like you, you need to make sure you get, your duty is to make sure you get people to like you, know you, and trust you. That's your duty. In as much as everything is concerned, make sure people know you, like you, and trust you. That is what you need to do. Do they know you? Do they like you and trust you? And to do that, you have to build rapport, start communication with them as much as possible. Then once that has been done, you get to know them better. So let's move forward because there's no time on our side. So the steps on achieving this, the step on achieving this is you initiate the conversation. How many of you have up to 100 persons on your Facebook page? How many of you have up to 50 persons on your WhatsApp? You initiate the conversation. How many of you have up to 100 persons on your Facebook friends? How many of you have up to 50 persons on your WhatsApp? 50, at least 50. If you have up to 50 persons on your WhatsApp, type 1. Now, these are prospects. These are people that if you don't recruit them, someone else will recruit them. If you don't, someone else will recruit them. So you start there, you initiate the conversation. Some of you have been here and you don't know how to initiate the conversation. How many of you have Telegram and you have a lot of persons on Telegram? How many of you have people on Telegram, but you don't know how you can reach out to them? You have a lot of persons on Telegram. Okay, so let's make it very fast from now. So what you need to do is you initiate the conversation, warm up the prospects, warm your prospect up, then ask them the magic question. Please write the step down. Ask them the magic question. Now, if they say yes, when you ask this question, then you send them an introduction message, then invite them for a presentation. These are the steps. Steps to prospect online is what I'm giving you now. Then after you invite them to a presentation, you do follow up, whether they attend or they did not attend the presentation, whether they pay or they didn't pay. I'm going to teach people that serially, but it's not going to be today. Today, I'm just going to take the first part. So remember, the step is you start the conversation. Don't expect them to come and ask you. The second thing after you start the conversation is that you warm up them. Warm up them is the form. Get them to know them better. Then ask the magic question. Then if they accept, I'm going to share the magic question with you shortly. If they accept, you send them an introductory message. Now, the introductory message will then invite them for a presentation. Whether they come or they don't come, do follow up immediately. Then arrange a three-way call. Arrange a three-way call with your upline. Let the upline close the deal for you. That is it. So now let's start. Today we are going to talk drag it with them. So let's move. So this script is for WhatsApp and Telegram. WhatsApp and Telegram are people that they know you already. They are your friends, they're in your phone book, but some of them you have not spoken with them. You don't know how to even start a conversation with them. You try to just bring them to the office. Some of them are dodging. So this time you want to prospect them. So what's the script you use? The first thing is that you initiate the conversation with a greeting. Good morning, Dan. How are you doing? Hope you're coping and adapting well with this time with your family. Hope you're coping well. Just reaching out to keep in touch. Eminent mentor or a better tutor or your name. The name that they know. Just use the name that they know. Now, you can just allow it there. Let them respond. Let it not look as if you're going to come and sell them something. I'm just checking on you. So send this message to them. Wake up in the morning and send this message to at least 100 of your contacts. At least. Then you're going to have over 50 persons responding. Go to your Telegram. You're going to see you have a lot of persons on Telegram. Now, Telegram is stronger than WhatsApp because WhatsApp, you must initiate the conversation. But Telegram, in as much as the person is on Telegram, it will pop up and tell you this person is on Telegram. That's the advantage of Telegram over WhatsApp. But WhatsApp, someone might be on WhatsApp and you have the person contact. So if you don't go and initiate conversation, you don't have that person on the chat. You can see the difference now. So, but this script work for both platforms. You just initiate the conversation with the person and the person says, okay, these are there. You come and reply. Once you reply, you say, okay, you say that's fine. You remember that at this point, I've asked him about the family. So if the family is not okay, if work is not okay, I'm not coping anyway. It's not, things are not okay, this and that. We can talk about that for a while. Then you now ask them the magic question. That was just a warming up. I initiate the conversation by, good morning, Dan, how are you doing? I'm initiating the conversation. Now, I now warm them up by asking, hope you're coping, adapting well, and your family during this time. I'm just reaching out to keep in touch, a better to I've warmed them up now. So maybe we have not spoken for a very long time. I've reminded them whom I am and the rest of the thing. So they'll come and if either way, they ask, oh, it's been a while, it's things, this and that. We'll start conversation. So we are now talking like friends. So after that conversation has been done, I'll ask them the magic question. Get ready for the magic question. Now here comes the magic question. The question is a quick one. Are you open to explore? Are you at all open to explore other opportunities as long as they don't affect your current work activities? That's the question. So whatever the response will be, you will now bring introductory message. Let me introduce you to the Pinnacle Echelon. It is a non-governmental initiative that provides information, training, and mentorship to smart thinking individuals with a drive for personal development and financial success. Since 2012, the organization has empowered thousands of Nigerians who now earn impressive monthly passive income while gaining a real-world business education. I will send you a short video of their activities so far. Watch it and I'll give you more detail. Did you get the message? Now, everybody that you send this to will want to go and watch the video. You're not telling him buy anything, but you want to check the video. Now, there are a lot of testimonials video. You can go to my page at Eminent Mentor on YouTube. You're going to see a lot of testimonials videos if you don't have any other one. or anyone that you know is captivating, you get the link and send to the person, tell the person, watch this one, watch this one, watch this one, watch the activities that these people are doing, watch these activities. So with that, you see, you have passed the message to them. Now, once you give them the scripts, now the next thing you do is that they watch the video. Now ask them, have you seen this video? A session is scheduled for 8:45 a.m. today to give detailed explanation of the business and a cash flow model, and another sessions for tomorrow, also by 8:45, depending on the time of your presentation, on Zoom, if there's going to be a Zoom or a webinar. Which day is more convenient for you? You ask again, today, 8:45 a.m. So you ask them that question. Now, you have prepared this person to come for presentation. You have prepared this person. Don't rush. You are not a scammer. This script I'm sharing today is just for Facebook and Telegram. By tomorrow, sorry, it's just for WhatsApp and Telegram. By tomorrow, I'll share the one for Facebook and how to follow up. Yes. So there are many scripts